my people, in case you're meeting me for the first time, I go by the name MC Ban, so the company Son of Comedy is Royal Talkative Online Zaddy, and I'm here with Queenette herself. So, ladies and gentlemen, we see you live on Entertainment Creep. Now here we carry matter, we do gossip, we carry amebo, you know, we just do actually, me just do now the matter the hot. So I just need to, you know, now at the hot. So ladies and gentlemen, the matter we can come now about our beloved Nollywood actress Toyin Abraham Adewole. Toyin Abraham Adewole, Yairi, mommy Ori. In case you don't know. Wow. He really don't grow now. He don't grow. So now she Toyin Abraham and her best friend, best paddy from day one, from day one till now. So if they don't love themselves, they're going to see the drag themselves. Lizzy Anjorin, both of them already get some cancer, they already get some issues from years now. They get the usual, they come, we say that they online, that they block themselves, offline, they block themselves, anyhow it be, that just you know, got some, recently now we will say, get some matter, we will say, happen with Lizzy Anjorin, Toyin Abraham saying they use fake account, Instagram account, they follow her chat, say Toyin, in pay bloggers, they made the like abuser, made the cause her, all those kind of stuff. So, it got some level, we say Lizzy Anjorin, call the pool, Toyin Abraham husband and he picking called the swear for them live online on Instagram, which is not proper. So the team paying Toyin Abraham will say she they cry, so she have to involve police, carry their themselves go police station, see me they go table the matter, say they table the matter that they do, you know, one kind of that stuff like that. So the auditor say no be Toyin comment or post all those kind of things are fans. You know, say most of this industry, other Nollywood, entertainment, music, their fan they always cause them.
Whiskey fans.
Whiskey MC.
Oh. Yeah. Like Whiskey fans, they always misbehave
like that. Because in this life, I tell people say, now tell people you know if you advise, especially we don't fall in love, Arsenal fans and Whiskey FC, you know if you advise them. Although say Whiskey FC on Twitter, please don't drag them. They will drag you anyhow. So now fans they cause issue between all these celebrities. Now fans they cause most of their fights. Say you are this one is better than this one is better. Meanwhile them offline they are doing very well. When you go reach some level we say go enter there go come they swell up say me I get fancy you pass you I get this pass you. So now so the matter they be. So now what it cause issue between Lizzy and Anjorin and what do you have to say for this matter? Because the matter now, it can be like say Toyin on the talk say the matter they won't resolve them, say they are good and a good help.
They should have been good before now. Why are you involving the police?
Now so
why you say go swear for person live? They swear for the picking, they curse and make pain la. You're not supposed to do that one now.
Like seriously, they call even the cause. Don't be say you know you cause only Toyin.
Cause the picking. What's the picking?
Small picking, say never know anything.
Oh, Toyin Abraham for arrest them. No, no set. No, arrest yourself. They go.
Nah, you forget it.
It's not nice. Why you go do that kind of thing? See, forget all these things. I don't know what thing go make person first reach down and be say you can't they beef your person. Now jealousy then you do that kind of thing.
Now waiting you see for
because you cannot come and be beefing me. Waiting me I get. You cannot sit down and cost me life. Mama rare me. Waiting I get.
If you beef me, I'll just use you laugh.
I go they laugh.
What do I have?
But because don't they say this person feel like say don't they go past you. No, they monitor them like monitoring spirit.
Which is not proper.
You know. And now okay, motor say true no be Toyin Abraham they stalk on Lizzy Anjorin say na fans. They do am. Now be fans, some na dey careful. Now na self they want see things tire.
I swear.
Now then go carry people matter for head. This person where they carry matter for head, you know how you feel about your own matter.
I don't see where two fans, Arsenal fans and Man U fans, will say that they argue. Just say people will say they don't know you. They bring bottle for themselves.
Imagine stupidity.
So that's stupidity. All these things are game. All this celebrity, you can support whoever is your.
They are coming up together.
They have to. Either they make their money, you way they argue, way they shout, and you are not making time from them.
But you know what some bloggers they do? Some bloggers they lie so that they'll make money. By the time they bring us say, hey, Lizzy don't tell Toyin Abraham say today trailer go jam my enemy. People will come up with the follow. They want the make money. So we want the advice now. Now one they make these things, they spread false things,
and bloggers when say that they carry false rumor.
Yeah, they carry rumors.
They confirm. No be saying that because of the money. Because now, if you carry the matter, go on IG, and you know say social media power nowadays, social media get one kind of power. We be say so if you spoil their name, all those kind of talk, which will be your gain. Just have to.
No, they'll get money now.
They'll get money.
Yeah, because their accounts will grow and
so that means.
But you had your money.
Downfall of someone is giving you money.
Yeah, and again, what will be the difference between the way they do make you they falsely they make money and person way they do jazz and person way they do yahoo una be the same, just that everybody get own ways of trooping people.
So bloggers, please, anything where you want post about any celebrities, anybody, please, you have to confirm,
verify,
make say legit 100%. So from there, forget all the money where they try make. Once you carry, if they carry legit matter, forget all the celebrities they go find you, they go bless you. So no be all those this one will say that they get.
And again, these people go all the way make person get problem for life.
Most problem.
You know, so because of traffic, they want generate traffic. They want make another person problem go come be your own source of income. I swear,
source of income, which is not proper. The person will call the cry, you go the make.
You go the happy, they go back.
Ladies and gentlemen, please, we go just do not tell me for no cost score. So we go to give you feedback, comment, please like, share, comment, and bring your matter. Let's more help you handle them. So people go help you, go see, they go watch your matter, they will call. From there, they're going to give you some advice. Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, just stay tuned. See you on Entertainment Crew.